Good day guys, welcome back to another video in the series of IGCSE Math Syllabus. Now in the previous video I taught you guys on how to solve linear equations and its basics. Now in this video guys, I'll be teaching you guys on how to solve linear equations when we also have to use the distributive property. Now let's get to it guys. Alright guys, in question number 1, what we'll be doing is we'll be first transposing 3 to the other side. Alright guys, and if you're not too good in solving equations, I will highly suggest you to go to my previous video and watch it and come back and continue with this video guys. Alright guys. Now first of all, what we'll be doing is we'll be getting rid of 3 to the other side. So we would have b plus 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, right guys? So b plus 5 is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. Now b would be equal to 6 minus 5. Therefore, b is equal to 1. Alright guys, so this is very simple. Now let's go into question number 2 where we have to expand the brackets before solving for the unknown variable. Okay guys. Now let's go ahead and expand the bracket. And if you don't know how to expand the brackets, I'll leave the link down in the description so you know how to expand the brackets. Okay guys, so we are going to take this 2 and multiply with all of the terms inside the bracket. So we have 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 1 is 2 is equal to 3 times x is 3x and 3 times negative 5 is equal to negative 15. Alright guys, now it's pretty simple. Now what we're going to do is we got to keep the variables together in one side and keep the numbers in one side. So first I'm going to transpose this 2x to the right hand side because 3x is greater than 2x, right? And I'm going to transpose this negative 15 to the other side. So what I'll have is 2 is equal to 3x minus 15, right, and minus 2x. Okay guys, now we see that on the right hand side the variables are together but we still have this constant or the number. So I'm going to transpose to negative 15 to the left hand side. So 2 plus 15 is equal to 3x minus 2x, right guys? Now 2 plus 15 is going to give us 17. So 17 is equal to x. There we go, plain and simple. Alright guys, now in question number 3, I would highly suggest you click on the pause button, try and solve it by yourself and then come back and see the equation together with me, okay? Now step number 1, what we'll be doing is we'll be expanding the brackets, okay? So 5 multiplied by x is going to give us 5x minus 5 times 4 is going to give us 20, right guys? And this is equal to 3 times x is 3x and 3 times positive 2 will give us plus 6, right? And now using the same step, I'm going to move x with x and the number with number. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 6 plus 20, right guys? So when I move the 3x to the left hand side, the positive changed to negative, and when I change the negative 20 to the right hand side, the negative changed to the positive. All right guys, so 5x minus 3x is going to give us 2x and 2x is equal to 26. Therefore x is equal to 26 over 2, which is equal to 3. All right guys, and that is how we would solve linear equations when we use the distributive property, or we could also call it when we got to expand the brackets first. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button and comment below guys if you want me to do any other relating topics. Alright guys, until next time guys, have a nice day.